Say hi, Rosie.
Hi.
Where are you going, Rosie? On an adventure! On a sailing adventure on the high seas. Say it. On an adventure on the high seas. And what if you hear the word boom? What do you do? Boom!
Yeah.
So duck! Boom! Practice. Boom. There you go. Now you're not very good at ducking.
Can I take a picture?
Give me one first. Take your arm off. Give me the other one. Your hands wet? Dry them on your pants. Dry them on your pants.
Bye, Rosie. Bye.
Have a good sail.
Never see you again.
Okay, at least for another 2 minutes. Okay, push the stop button right there.